YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Well, my name is Elsie Kokunda Tukahira, and of course, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, Aki, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for always loving me, liking, sharing my content, and also commenting. Well, in today's video we have a recipe that we are going to do. I don't know, but I always call that a recipe. That's how I pronounce it. But anyway, we have a recipe, and let's go.
Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I love you, my fans and friends. Kindly subscribe.
So well, today I'm going to be making plain pilau using only 3 ingredients. Only 3 of them. So you've been seeing very many YouTubers using a lot of ingredients, but if you don't have all those ingredients and you have only these 3 ingredients that I'm going to show you, you'll be able to do your pilau and it will be sweet for your family, for your friends, for your loved one, you know. So let's go into the video. So we are going to do our recipe using only these onions. This is basmati rice and oil. Maybe to add in, we'll use salt, which is not here, and also we are going to use ginger. Ginger is the last one because salt is mandatory for everyone to use, but we're going to use ginger. We are going to put it in our water. You will see. So this is what we are going to use, only 3 ingredients, and we'll reach there. Okay, let's start. So we start by peeling our onions. We peel off the very first part, and they stay clean.
So at this point I was jazzing with my friends as I was still peeling off the first layer of the onions. Enjoy the rest of the video.
So after peeling off our onions, like the first layer, we are going to start chopping them. I don't have a chopping board, so I'm going to use the local method.
The local method I was talking about was dicing them in equal parts but using your hands and the knife. After washing my ginger, I put it in a polythene bag and then I pounded it using my wine bottle. Yeah, the local method still. So after that, I'm going to put it in the percolator, so it's going to boil together with the water. You can't know how it tastes until you try it out. You need to try it out one time. So after lightening my gas, I put on the stove and I waited for it to get dry, and then after I put in the oil. That's the oil I used because it's what I had, but any oil can do. Then after I put in the onions, yes, enjoy the rest of the video. Water is ready. So you mix the onions and you make sure they become brown, like real brown. They bring out that scent, that nice scent. Oh my god, it's so nice. So after they bring it out, like you add in water, like a little bit of water, then you start stirring them together so that that brown essence is being made, and also the soup as well. So you stir, whatever the word is. I use that, stir. You should forgive my English, but in simple terms, mix until the soup is made. Yes.
now that our onions are ready and our water is ready, I'm going to use this cup. So we're going to put in our rice. We are going to use 2 cups.
After measuring your rice, you put it in, and then you have to first mix it like as if you're frying it, so that the color changes. Yes, I really don't know the theory, but yeah, the color changes when you over mix it. Before pouring in water, you mix and mix and mix.
The water has ginger in it. We are going to sieve it. Remember, we put 2 cups, so we are going to make 4 cups.
So after putting in your water, you mix it a little bit and then you let it settle. Yeah, as you're doing your other things. So that is when it's about to get done. And this is when it is already done. Since it is basmat, you have to use your mingling stick and see whether the water is still in, whether the rice is okay, you know. And then after, you enjoy a meal.
So now our basmat is already ready. So I'm going to try it out. We put a little. Oh, it's so hot. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook some sauce for it. Though for this video, I'll stop there. Let me try it out and see. Oh, so good. Guys, subscribe. I love you so much.